Hello guys, this is strategy using strategy number one, but we are using hit and run method. Okay, look at it guys, it's just same as waiting for three dancers, three players, or three shots, and betting opposites for 5 to 6 marbles. Okay, hope we will win big if possible.
Let's replace
Okay, I'll be starting now. Just look at the video.
69, Bank is 96. Congratulations, seniors are good luck. Thank you, Miss Nate, everyone. Congratulations, starting time. Me and you what? That's your close good luck too. 3 for player and 2 for bank. Double draw. Player wins with 7 over 3. My congratulations to the winners. I can't see. Oh yeah, I'm down for whatever. That's your close good luck too. Player wins this round. That's cost. Player wins this round, but in kind. That's close. Good luck. Round 7 extra good. Player wins this round 8. 9 over. 7 have 76 minutes, 138 player. Newcomers welcome plays the best place. That's close. Good luck. 64 extra good. We have time with 62 minutes, 100 with 1 play. That's close. Good luck. 6 and 7. Thank you, Mr. 64 making 166 player. Second time. Congratulations, ABC Hank Dean. ABC 35 LSD Comprehensive. You have 6 minutes. jumping, crouching, reaching, and play corner, seconds of playing time moves now. That's a crazy look. It's 9 for a player to betting claims 9 over 2 minutes to win. Congratulations. Betting time is 1 plus seconds. Final seconds. That's a crazy look. Bucket for player, 5 bowling, extra card for player, playing. Two for the player, Baccarat for blank, double, throw. It's tied with Baccarat, 5 winners. Congratulations, betting time. Plus seconds, now I'm about skill. 1 for the player, 4 for the bank, extra card for the player, extra for the bank, player wins. 9 over 5, 45 winners. Congratulations, betting time. Thank you. Last seconds. That's closed. There we go. 5 for the player and 1 for the bank. Double draw. Player wins 9 over 1. 61 winners. Congratulations. Betting time. For the bank, player wins with natural 9. 63 winners. Congratulations. Player wins 3 times in a row. 24 winners. Congratulations, betting time. Last seconds. Bats are closed. 1 for the player, 8 for the bank. Banker wins with nature. Now bats go luck. 2 for the player, 2 for bats close. You luck 2. 6 for 5 for the bank.
Ringgit?
Yeah, it's okay.
Easy?
No, not really. What, you just stop and just play.
That's a close. You luck 2.
Hi, man.
5 for player, 2 for bank. Extra card for player.
We're going na, pwede ba? We will just sulit-sulit first. We're waiting for 1 o'clock. Di ba?
Extra card 2.
And something to do ba? What else do we need to do? That you need? I was just thinking ba? Kung ano, you bring na ng artist so that we can apply there directly or no? We just ask lang sa first.
That's a close.
No?
Ask
Ask lang sa first and then come back and then when it's time.
like, if there is a census to
Ah,
apply,
That's potential for instance.
You don't like to eat? Yes, I see.
No, I like to. I want to go to Pakistan restaurant.
Which one?
Everyone. If there's kebab,
Ah, okay.
only kebab. I have pizza.
Doesn't
I
matter.
yellow cup. I need yellow cup.
Okay.
But congratulations, best of luck with all of your outstanding team.
It's very watery outside. I wanna wear my new shoes.
Most probably, congratulations, especially. Up for the player, now for the bank, and congratulations, Banker Whispered Danger winner have 25 in on the table. Your compliment to the top on your ABC Taja, perfect, congratulations and thank you. Let's place your bets on your side. Nine for the five, of course, for the bank, player wins the game, and number four for me, congratulations. Good luck, second for the bank, player no, place your bets on service, thank you. Any comments, welcome to the final side of the banker wins this round, but points. Last second, so place your bets. Number bets, good luck. Top of the player, five for the bank, extra bright for the player, and congratulations. Banker was with 5 over 1. Happy to fall on the table and compliment to the top runner APC, K75. Congratulations on the fitting time. Please place your bets on your sets. And also bank one for the 5 times in a row in the top. Bets for good luck.
I
Happy
will
for the
wear
player
this
now for the
one
bank,
again.
and congratulations,
Okay
Banker
lang.
was with Nitro winner. Have 76 win on the table.
Okay now?
And compliment to the top and reserves 8%, SHA, congratulations on the fitting time.
What?
Place your bets in your sets and also bank one for the 6 times in a row in the top. So place your bets in your sets, please. Bets first, good luck. 8 for the players, down for the bank. And congratulations, player was with Nature winner. Have 65 win on the table. I compliment to the top winner. We will be Monday, particularly congratulations and spend the time. Please place your bets in your sets and also play along for the first time in a while and I'm confident so please your bets. Bets first, good luck. Now for the player, 12 for the bank, and congratulations, player was with Nature winner. Have placed 5 win on the table. I compliment to the top winner.
Saan ako charger?
MASHA, particularly congratulations and spend the time.
You'll buy
Please
charger.
place your bets in your sets and also play along for the second time in a while and now it's last second so place your bets. Patrick, please good luck. Okay, for the player 6. Go to player 9 clear the bank. Thank you for natural 9 hour. Congratulations to your next running time. Block me 5. Display configuration dialog. Robot skill up. Please give up. Save for the player 6 for the bank and player initial order 6. Congratulations. Just a second, I'm gonna need to fix my chair.
Which one will you go for? Real or Estrella? Which one?
Let's continue. Buster, please give up.
You just decided it.
Mahal to go behind.
Play for the player 6 for the bank, extra player for the player in the player 6 hour 5. Congratulations.